today in my kitchen, I'm going to be making a real delicious breakfast. I'm going to be using jackfruit. Another name for jackfruit is Katahar, or we call it Chataigne. We call it Chataigne in Trinidad, okay? It's like this. This is just 1.9 pounds, and it's $2.46 I paid for this. So I'm going to remove the wrapper. And this is just a part of a jackfruit. That is just to tell you how big that jackfruit is. It's a real big jackfruit. Alright, so this is the jackfruit. Right? It have all these segmented stuff over here. It look like little nucleus. Look at it. You understand? And it have the seeds. And this is a very mature jackfruit or Chataigne. So how I do prepare this is I cut it in the middle. You don't want to waste the seeds or anything. See how the seeds falling off? You're going to use that seed in the food preparation also. I have to give you a little story about the seeds when I'm halfway through. Alright? But this is a jackfruit. Right? So you're going to take your knife and you're going to peel around that rugged, rough portion of it. And it's grown in the tropics. You know? It is, I think it is family to the breadfruit. It looks like breadfruit, but it's not breadfruit, okay? It is Chataigne. So you peel it off like this. And be careful you don't cut your hand while you're peeling. Okay, I'm going to add some cold water to this bowl. Just to immerse the jackfruit in it. Okay? And I'm going to chop up this jackfruit, including the seeds. Everything must go. Now you see this part here? I want to take off this part here, this tough part. You take that off, okay? And then you continue chopping. You can take off the seeds because you want to take off that rough part of this, that coating that's covering the seed, and then it shreds up real nicely. You want to shred it up very fine. So this is jackfruit or Chataigne, and I'm going to do some curry. I'm going to introduce you to the family of ingredients that I'm going to be using in a little bit, okay? So look how nice inside of it is. Oh, it is layers. This is a wonderful world that we are living in. Look at these layers here. I'm telling you. And the seeds are all embedded inside here. You want to take the seed out. Okay? And the seeds have a lot of properties too. You know, in Trinidad, when you're growing up, this is good for if you have problem with your bowels. You can't move your bowels and stuff like that. The seed from this Chataigne is very good. And it make you have some real loud bowel movements too. I'm telling you, you know, it have another name we used to call it in Trinidad. For the Trini viewers, farting pills. You understand? These are the pills that we use if you want to fart and you cannot fart. Farting pills. Now don't be laughing at my video, but really and truly it is called farting pills. You boil that separate in water. You boil it separate in water and you take out the hard skin and you eat that. It tastes very nice. You understand? Farting pills. The seed from the Chataigne. Alright, so I'm finished cutting up this now. The next step. Okay, look at that little piece here. I didn't even... No. Yeah, let me cut up this piece too. You understand? This is a really tasty meal. Real tasty. Chataigne. It's kind of sticky here. You see how it's sticking onto my finger? Look. Like it has some sort of magnetism. It just being stuck to my fingers. And look, look at a seed here. You take the seed out also. Alright, I think I got all the seeds out now. I haven't eaten this in over 30 years. Don't try to figure my age, okay? I'm not old. But I haven't eaten this in over 30 years. Alright, so with the seeds now, let me show you something. You see the seeds? You see that? You want to take off that outer covering. And you add in the seed. The seed kind of tough, eh? The seed kind of tough. You want to add the seed to the pot also. Oops. Something always falls down in my kitchen. Right? You want to cut it in half because it's kind of tough. And be careful you don't cut your hand. You see, it stick onto my hand like glue. Right? You can just throw it in just like that. Right? All the nutrients is in the seed itself. I'm not going to be putting too much of seeds. I want to boil it and eat it and see the effects of it with the rest of them. So I'm going to just cut one more. Right? These fattening pills. Alright, so let me just wash my hands and I'll be back. Now you see how nice and fine this chataigne is chopped up, and I have it soaking in water. Kind of sticky, guys. You see it's sticking to my hand. Oh goodness, it's a long time I haven't prepared this. I forget it sticks to your hand. Alright, it sticks to your hand. Anyway, I have 3 cloves of garlic here I'm going to be using to make the curry. I have 1 small onion, some curry powder, right? Some ground masala and some cumin, right? Also, I have some oil, vegetable oil, some salt. If you could get the fresh coconut, you could get the fresh coconut, but I couldn't get no fresh coconut. So I'm using, this is about 13.5 fluid ounces of coconut milk. And I know it's thick and nice inside here, so I have a little bit of water. This is a cup of water. I'm not going to be using all of this to add to that coconut milk. And also, I have a pepper, scotch bonnet pepper or congo pepper. And of course, the seasoning, the green seasoning I'm using, shadow benny. 3 leaves of shadow benny. And I'm not going to be using these here. I'm going to boil this and I'm going to eat it separately. Yeah, I'm going to chop this garlic real fine. Nobody don't like the taste of a whole garlic in the mouth, you know. You want it fine. Using this side of this mallet. Call this a mallet, okay? You chop it up real fine. Alright? You put that aside. Smelling real good, like when you're making pulori. You get that nice smell. And 1 onion. You want to cut up the onion. You could chunk it up anyhow you want. Alright? Cut up your onion. This has been chopped up. And this scotch bonnet. See? I'm taking all the seeds in it. Taking all the seeds in the scotch bonnet pepper. Right? And chop it up real fine. Congo pepper. You know? It's grow almost everywhere in the Caribbean. You just run and pick a whole bunch of Congo pepper. Alright, put that aside. And then the shadow benny, also known as culantro. God, I'm going to be coughing. That pepper. Excuse me, folks. So this is the green seasoning I'm using. Shadow benny. You could use the all-purpose seasoning too. You know, Caribbean all-purpose seasoning. You could use that also. But I don't have any in my kitchen right now. So I'm going to be enhancing it with some shadow benny. Alright, so let's get started with the cooking. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little water in this bowl. Just a little bit of water. Right? And I'm going to add all the spices. Right? The jeera, ground masala, and the curry powder. And you just give it a little toss. You want to combine all of these together. You understand? To bring out that nice oriental flavor. You understand? So now you're going to add some oil to the pot. This is vegetable oil, by the way. You add it to the pot. And then what I do, I'll add the garlic and the onion. You see, when you put the onion with the garlic don't get discolored. That is a trick that I learned, you understand? You don't get discolored. And let it cook for a couple of seconds. And then I'll add the masala, the curry and the geera. The garlic and the onion has been sauteing in the oil, and I'm going to add this mixture. And let it cook down. You want it just to cook until it sort of sticks to the bottom of the pot. You understand? And I'll be back. Give it about 2 minutes and I'll be back. So you see how this cooking? It must stick to the bottom. You see how it's sticking to the bottom? This is what I like to see. The garlic and the onion infused in that curry mixture with that saffron and that ground masala. Right? So now I throw in the rest of the ingredients here. Toss it around. Oh, this thing smells so good. You put a little water if you don't want it to stick. A little water, just not much, just a little bit. See all the steam, how it just leaving that pot. Alright, so the next thing you do is to put in the chataigne. You don't add the water to the pot, you just remove it. Take your hand and just remove it from the water. Wow. This is going to spring water also. Wow. This is really nice cooking. Toss it around a little bit. And this is going to melt down. You see the amount it has in here? This is going to melt down. I'll leave this to cook for about 30 minutes. 35 minutes. Put some salt in it. All depends on your flavor. And when it's about halfway cooked down, then I'm going to add the coconut milk to it. Okay? So I'm going to cover it down and reduce the heat. Reduce the heat to medium. And I'll be back in about 35 minutes. Okay, look at the pot. Bubbling really nicely. Wow, you see how it has melted down? Before I added the garlic and the onion to the oil, I made sure that the oil was hot enough. I added the garlic and onion. And then I added the other ingredients, the pepper and the shadow benny. Okay, so now this is how it looks like now. I'm going to add the coconut milk. 1 can of coconut milk, and it's thick and nice. I don't think I'm going to add the whole can. I'm going to use half a can of coconut milk. You know, because it's really thick and nice. And add a little water. And let it cook down for another 20 minutes. Because it takes time to cook, okay? Let it cook down and I'll be back. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. This chataigne is finished. And you see the seed? The seed is cooked. Right? So what I'm going to do now, it's been cooking for about 50 minutes. I'm going to put some of this chataigne with some bus up shot or paratha. Oh, this thing smells so good. Everything is infused so nicely in here. Alright guys, so this is the end product of my chataigne. Turn up that stove. And this is how it looks. This is how it really looks. Look how lovely that is. All the different colors and stuff like that. It is well cooked. Okay, so we have a mixture of the saffrons. We have the oil, the curry powder, and the cumin all cooked together, right? And infused with garlic and onion and some shadow benny. Really nice. I'm going to take a dip into it with some of this real light paratha. So you find a corner, you find a top part. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Mouth watering. I'm going to take a bite. Wow, this is very, very, very delicious. So guys, if you like my video, give me the thumbs up. Don't be scared. Give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment box. Like and subscribe to my channel. Right? And I want to thank all you subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. I'm almost the 500 mark. Right? And pushing strong. So see you again with another wonderful Caribbean video. This is the girl Andrea signing off for now. Bye.